Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny of Danny's Dreams and I am so glad you are here. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, each Saturday I stop by and I share all the creations that I made each week. In the description box below will be all the links to either the blog posts or the video, plus any tutorials or anything like that that might be pertinent to the cards that I share. Last week I was a little under the weather, therefore I did not create a Saturday showcase. So I have 2 weeks worth of cards to share with you. So let's get right to it. First up, we have this You're Positively Awesome card. It was for a Craft and Kimmy Saturday challenge that I hosted for paper piecing. Paper pieced her outfit and I think she is just so super duper fun. Next up was probably one of my most favorite cards from the last couple of weeks. I had envisioned like a family portrait Christmas card style. The challenge was for Craft and Kimmy and it was to use snowflakes. And I didn't want to just do your typical snowflakes scenes, so I masked and colored and then embossed the snowflakes to create this like family Christmas card, portrait like card. I love how it turned out. I don't know that I will be able to part with it because I really just love it so much. And it's one of the few times that I have masked and I really liked how I did it. I had to really think about like what goes first and next and whatever. So that was super fun. And it says warmest thoughts and best wishes for a wonderful Christmas. And the stamp sets used, this was trendy tees and trendy tea icons from Craft and Kimmy. And I believe this is holiday wishes. Again, all the information to the blog post is in the description box below. Next up was a new release from Not Too Shabby Shop. I'm on their digital team, so this is a digital stamp, and it is Sweet Valentine, I believe is the name of the stamp. I did not write it down, which is really rare for me. Again, everything's linked below. I colored it, I added some sparkle, and then this is the first time that I did a bigger area like this with the glossy accents, but it makes that mug look so realistic. It's a 5.5 by 5.5 card, I believe. Just super fun. And all you need is love and a cup of coffee. Would you agree? Sometimes I think yes. Next up, I have a trio of cards that I made. In my challenge group, there's a stamp for that. We are starting to have sponsors. So our January 2022 sponsor is Cat Scrappiness. They were so generous and they sent not only a prize for me to give away for the last challenge, but also some goodies for me to play along with. So I made a 3 for Tuesday using those supplies, the heart donut builder and the oh, I am horrible this week. I did not write down the name of the stamp set. I apologize. Normally I'm a little bit on it, still under the weather a little bit. Again, all the information's in the description box below. Super fun stuff though. You can build like so many different ideas with those heart donut builders. And then this one says you can't buy happiness, but you can buy donuts, and it's kind of the same thing. I wanted to kind of mimic like that edible glitter, so I took some stickles and just kind of rubbed it on with my finger. I really like the way that that looked. The mini slimline die is also from Cat Scrappiness. This one was my first time. I used glossy accents and then I like sprinkled the sprinkles on it, and it turned out so cool. I choked on a carrot this afternoon and all I could think of is I bet a donut wouldn't have done this to me. So true, so true. So I really like how that one turned out, and I think that's one of my new favorite techniques. And then the last card that I made using this was my first time making an edge-to-edge shaker. It was a little bit more challenging than what I anticipated. I made a few mistakes, but I covered them up, hopefully. And I don't know about you, when I have a shaker, I want to shake it. Again, I did that glossy accent and just sprinkled that glitter over, or not glitter, the little sequins over it. So that was super fun, and a shaker. Next up was super exciting. We had the January 2022 Craft and Kimmy release. The first set was Stinkin' Cute that we revealed, and has the cutest skunks in it. I know that I will be using that set often. And then a new ink color, new add-on bundle, all kinds of good stuff. I must be obsessed with glossy accents. I'm noticing a lot of these cards have glossy accents this week. Did that glossy accents on the balloon. Just stamped him on the inside. It stinks that I forgot your birthday. Super duper cute. Next up we had My Type. Love the typewriter, and has different sentiments that you can put in it. Brings back memories. I grew up in the age where you took typing class. I actually liked typing class. I love typing on a typewriter. Again, that January 2022 add-on bundle has this chipboard and this spray in it to make it shimmer. Super duper fun. Sending you huge hugs. And I just stamp that on the inside. Next we had Coffee and Chocolate, and mine is just, but first coffee. This is a new stencil, the Lots of Love stencil, and there's that chipboard again. I really like how this one came out with that craft cardstock behind it. Then we had our Blog Hop and Shop, so I used that Stinkin' Cute set again. Those sweet, sweet skunks. Love is in the air. I added some stickles to the chipboard for that, so it's a nice sparkly heart. For some reason, my video stopped, so I'm hoping that I got it in time. This was the last one with the Stinkin' Cute from Craft and Kimmy. Next up is this Craft and Kimmy Christmas Challenge, which the theme was purple. So I used some papers I had from Not Too Shabby, along with the Treat Yourself stamp set. I think she turned out so cute in purple. Next we had Mermaid Monday. I love how this came out. I really wanted her to shine, and I found this ombre paper in my stash, and I just think it turned out so pretty. She's got some sparkle on her. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I just love her. She was originally from Some Odd Girl. I know that Whimsy sells Some Odd Girl digital stamps now, and I looked there, but I didn't find her, so I'm just happy that I have her. So she makes me happy. Next up was my post for the Not Too Shabby Digital Instagram digital team, and I used the Sprinkled with Love digital stamp set. I tried something new. I didn't really like it. Everyone else seems to think that it's okay. I don't know. I colored it. I added some sparkle, and then I put my glossy accents on it. Didn't like how that looked at all. So then I added some stickles. It's kind of shiny and sparkly. Some old basic gray paper there was perfect to go with it. Then we had an Instagram hop for Craft and Kimmy to celebrate the new release. I used that My Type stamp set again, and the add-on bundle. And then this is the Mountains of Mail stencil. So fun with all those envelopes there. And then on the inside. And then last but not least, my challenge group, there's a stamp for that has a new challenge. And that is either Valentine's, winter, or use a die cut. I used a die cut and a Valentine for this one. Looks like the color kind of went funky on my camera here. So hopefully this is a stamp that I found in the Not Too Shabby shop. It's from the Darcy's line, and it's Would You Be. I think it's out of stock right now, but maybe I'll get it back in. Would You Be My Valentine? I heat embossed that, the cutest little beaver. Added some hearts that I ran through an embossing folder, and he's just on the inside. Lots and lots of goodies this week. I had fun Most of these were already done before I got sick, so I was thankful for that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description or in the comment section below. And until my next video, have an amazing day.